Welcome to the Living Healthy with COPD YouTube channel. Subscribe to get daily videos. Also hit the notification bell, and if you like the video, hit the like button. We make videos all about what it is like to live with COPD. The topics range from supplements, diet, exercise, spirituality, medications, and overall healthy lifestyle. Enjoy. Juicing for healthy lungs, 4 recipes to improve your respiratory health. Juicing is just as it sounds. It's the process of taking raw foods, fruits and vegetables, and grinding them to a pulp and separating the juices. Although the skin of these fruits and vegetables are a great source of fiber, the juice alone is still packed fresh with crucial daily vitamins and nutrients. With your health in mind, the Lung Health Institute is here to provide a guide for juicing for healthy lungs. The links to all these recipes are in the description of the video. Check them out. Smoothie number 1, Cherry Mango Anti-Inflammatory Smoothie. Includes cherry, mango, and water. When it comes to chronic lung disease, the importance of reducing inflammation cannot be stated high enough. As inflammation within the airways is a core condition of lung disease symptoms, particularly as it leads to the blocking of the lungs' airways, reducing this inflammation, internal swelling, and lessening the restriction of the airways is key to better breathing. With that said, carotenoids are chemical compounds found in mangoes, carrots and plums, and are important for the healthy maintenance of mucous membranes in the lung tissue, helping to promote the healing and protection of lung cells. Smoothie number 2, ginger, carrot, turmeric and grapefruit juice. Includes carrots, ginger, turmeric, and grapefruit. Although we've mentioned this before, the high anti-inflammatory properties of ginger cannot be ignored. On top of that, vitamin C, found in grapefruit and oranges, is a significant vitamin in the reduction of mucus and continues to serve as a powerful antioxidant, helps protect the body from harmful free radicals in the air. Further still, vitamin C has been commonly linked with improving overall immunity and improving lung health. Smoothie number 3, Sunrise Detox, includes banana, mango, pineapple, raspberries, coconut water, and lemons. Smoothie number 4, Radish Detox. Includes radishes, mixed sprouts, sunflower, alfalfa, banana, raspberries, strawberries, Thai-style coconut milk, coconut water, and a pinch of salt. Although the radish is a spicy root vegetable, it's a surprisingly good source of vitamin C. Radishes are capable of fighting diseases and rescuing cells from destructive free radicals. Radishes can also regulate blood pressure, relieve congestion, and prevent respiratory problems such as asthma or bronchitis.